In this video, we're going to be looking at this practice exam question here. So the diagram below shows a prism whose cross-section is an isosceles triangle. Okay, so that's an isosceles triangle. The isosceles triangle has sides of length 5x, 5x, and 6x in meters. The total length of all the edges of the prism is E. Okay, so if we add up all of these edges, okay, it's going to be equal to E meters. So show that the length of the prism, okay, is given by this formula here. A equals 1/3 E minus 32. Okay. So the way we do this, okay, first of all, quick sketch I've drawn here. Okay, we've got to figure out what the total length means. So the total length is this A plus that A, okay, plus this A up here. Okay, so we have 3 A's, and then plus these lengths here, and then on the other side. Okay, so we've been told that these lengths are 5x, 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 and 6x, which is 16x, and over here we have the same thing, 5x, 5x, and 6x. Okay, so that's where these two 16x's come from. So that means that E, which is the total length of all the sides of the prism, is equal to 3A plus 32x. And that means if you rearrange that, 3A is equal to E minus 32x. And therefore A equals 1/3 of that, 1/3 E minus 32x. So we've proven that, and that's how you do that. Now on the next video, we're going to move on to the next part of the question, so check that video out next.